Welcome back to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And today on the Mix we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is saying that no one is really supposed to be comparing people that live in Jamaica or maybe other parts of the world with people that live in America, because everyone wants a piece of the pie. Everyone wants to step on a plane and, go to America or come to America. So she's saying that it is, not comparable. And she's saying that people can't compare people's life with people that's living in Jamaica and people living in America to say one person's doing better than the other because of situations, because America is different than Jamaica. And she's talking about her business and other areas of her life. And as you will see, Curly is having fun and she's smiling. She is with her significant other on the ride. And so go catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And have yourselves a wonderful and beautiful day, as always.
Feel working for 30 years in this country. From me in my 20s, me I do nursing work, right? And if I decided that I'm going to leave it in a 2020 and try to get a piece of the American pie, the American dream as being an entrepreneur, just like Martin Luther said, I have a dream. I have a dream to own a business one day. So if I have a little business and me I struggle with my little business, I have my way out. And me say me can't name said way, me no look no way, me can't travel same way. Why you fight against me? Why comparing other people in Jamaica, wherever it is, they're making more money than you, they're living better than you? All people in Jamaica feel live better than me when everybody want to come foreign. You don't live no life until you step in America and see different part of the world. You can't just stagnate yourself and there one place. It's like you're not saying nothing until you catch a plane. It's just simple as that. You ain't saying nothing. I don't care how you love your country. Everybody want to step on this American soil, yeah. Everybody wants to step on American soil. It no matter if you have $1 million, you are not going to feel comfortable and feel like you're rich until you take a plane, go Dubai, go Africa, go America, go Canada, and whatever it is. What is the sense of having money sitting down and you can't travel the world? Eh? What is the sense? So everybody wants a piece of the American pie. And then again too, I say what I want to say. Why I can't say what I want to say? Because I am the one who struggled my way to reach where I'm at today. I'm in a stagnant because I see where uno live better than me and uno have money. Uno still a name KFC me and name it too. Uno a name Red Lobster me and name it too. I see the people who have money not even go a restaurant like me and me go a restaurant 7 days a week. And I don't get it. So why me not supposed to come out and be my character? Other people can come on social media and them can talk and go on and go on and go on. And then when me come out and cuss and go on, it's a different bargain game. I was over YouTube a while ago, right? And I saw Anne-Marie Fraser when me and her clash out the other day, right? I'm in a pay Anne-Marie no more. Two of us cuss and we say what we have to say. So while I was waiting for my friend and stuff, I was listening to her. And she was elaborating on my video that I did today about Jennifer. And she was saying that the way I spoke to Jennifer, me talk with Jennifer too soft, like Jennifer have secret for me. No, Anne-Marie, Jennifer not have no secret for me. You must understand that she and I had a conversation when every cussing go on. You understand me? And we say, listen, me now come up to come talk about you and the next lady and talk about nothing more. She and I have a conversation. We say our truth and we say we got Jennifer can't have the secret for me because I want to tell Jennifer my secret. So you there talk about Jennifer have secret for me and that's why I not come out and bash her. Why? Me not talk people business. How much time do I tell you people that I do not come out and dash people on the bus? That is what I have been doing all my life. All the people that has been into my life, I treat them the same way. If you tell me a business, I am not coming out, come dash it out. I know a lot of things about a lot of one on social media. I'm not throw it out. How am I going to throw people business? So, oh my God, I'm not going to be the Marcia that I am. Well, me can't tell her right now, you know, Anne-Marie. She don't have no secret for me. She and I only speak about social media 99% of the time. Maybe tell her what me and her talk about is arguing or talking about Dana. When them the argument there. Our food are just regular little things she will call and say, Marcia, you no answer nobody. You know why you always a call me out. You don't trust me. Over 2-3 years now we've been arguing with her and tell me don't trust her. From she was on Ashanti 360 page for over 2-3 years. I have not been trusting her. She has been trying to prove her loyalty to me from ever since. And she's, every time we argue on the phone, it is always about trusting her. Every conversation is like, Marcia, you not trust me, you not do this. And so if she now come and doing those stuff, what do you expect? So right now it's the same thing. You cannot be trusted because it's not about trust. I could have never in my life go tell Jennifer my business, my secret. But after me not have the rest. At the next light. How can you tell somebody secret and me not have no secret? What kind of secret me have on my mouth is an open book? Me not have no secret. No secret at all. What happened? Me I sell pussy at night time and me tell her something I sell pussy? That's what it is? Me I walk a thief? What? What kind of secret could she have for me? I'm just saying, me and her are sleeping I see her. At the light. Turn left onto Albany Avenue. Me want to know. Turn right onto Woodland Street. Me never know say me and her take a see a man. What kind of secret can she have for me? Me not have no raw secret. Nobody out and have no secret for me. Jennifer and I talk about regular things, and 90% of the time it's all about Facebook. Face Ross book. 99% at the light. Turn right is about Facebook. So when you answer she have secret for me because me easy pan her and me never easy with you. When you go frig dildo boy. Me and you know me don't know you. Me know her. She and I have been speaking from 2015. I just say to you that me can't believe say you go whatever it is based on him characteristic. Me never know say your name was so deep. So me I say as a woman you hear say I do this and I do that and whatever. Me never know say your name was so deep in a one way. You understand? So that is basically what I was trying to say. Hold on there, hold on. Okay, all right, nobody talk. So what I'm trying to say to you, wherever your name is, me not dash people on the bus when it comes to who me talk to from back in the days. Me have to have a trust because a lot of Facebook supporters, old and young, confided me about private affairs. So if I'm coming out and I'm talking other people sitting, them not gonna feel like say me go talk them. Me can't do that. Me have to have people you don't understand. A lot of people confided me and speak to me because when them see me on Facebook, some of them are go through the same situations. Some of them like my motivation and them feel comfortable talking to me. And I'm nothing. When me I say, as woman, we discuss issues, relationship issues, financial issues, and all these things that we all have in our lives. What we are going through. Then what kind of secret me could I tell she? You tell me. What kind of secret you have for me? She don't have no secret for me. I swear upon the Holy Bible, she don't have no secret for me. Because I not have none. So you can't get that notion out of your head. It's just simple as that. She don't have no secret for me. Me's a good acquaintances to people, me's a good acquaintances. Me understand. So if she want, me not hear what she say now. How long I have not listened to her? Our people, me hear people talk. I haven't even hear what she say. You say she have bash me bad. Me not hear what she say. Me have to go find the video. Because I don't hear nothing what she say. Me not hear what she say. Good at this man, me pass over something and me she talk about how me come and talk about people fat and people this and that. And me know something there. And I don't how you go? And I do not let me go in there so first and come back. She listen to me. She cuss bad word too. She cuss bad word too. So don't make she come and fool you because when me and her argue in a WhatsApp, she cuss bad word too. So don't make she come on social media and go and like say she a goody two shoes. She cuss bad word too. Me can't tell her that. Hold me wig there, give me pass my wig. Me now go to do like that, it's too cold. Yeah. You understand? She cuss bad word too. So don't you believe that she not cuss bad word. Today is my worst day. I don't fix up myself today. Today I look like a mad somebody. Me not lie, but trust me. Because me not do little shipping and do little something. And the goodest thing is for me to come out of that house and get myself comfortable. And I'm alright. You understand? That was the biggest hurdle to come out there. And with disappointment when it happen. So, but so me look like a mad somebody. Not really look like a mad somebody, but today I'm my worst day. But it's anyway, in the coming months and weeks, I will hot up back myself. But right now, me just want to get rid of the shipping them. Which is it? All the shipping them almost finished. Anybody who may have shipping for, please get in touch with me. I may have some beautiful sheets. How would the card there? I'm a purse. Pass the purse, give me please. Let me see if the card is in there. Yeah, so. No. Oh, there, this one. No, not this one. A black one. We should have dropped it off first, you know. What I should have done, drop it off and give them, make me wash it. Yeah. So me can't tell you. Oh, what the card there? I have to buy more card again. Me can't tell you, say. She don't have no secret for me, honey child. You understand? You can't compare yourself and say, me never easy with you. But me I think me a pay no mind. Me not pay no mind. Chat is chat. Me not go easy with you because because of him. That is what it is. And because me and you not talk like that. But nobody know no secret for me out there. We all have our troubles and our trials and tribulation. No girl and no boy know no secret for me. No boy. My record is clean. Very, very clean. Except for a little situation with Woodland Village. And it was valid reason. My record is clean. Check my name, Marcia Campbell. You don't have my name, you don't have my blood clot birthday. You don't have everything. I live America a long time. My record is clean. And the first me ever got going to one courthouse or any paperwork from me living in America for 40 years. So you don't have nothing. And taking Woodland Village and going to court, was valid. 100% legit and valid for me and them to end up there. And I have never seen a judge. Never seen a judge. So me not have a secret for me. But me have secret for no. Lord. Don't have no secret for, but me have secret for though. Oh, anyway. But I have something to do. So let me go do it and come back. Bye-bye.